Okay, so now we have to figure out if our expression is a number or white space or something in a period, a decimal number, those things. Okay, right. So say if it is a white space, we are not going to do anything and it should not break as well, right? So it should skip, it should just move to the next position. So what it should do, you should just increase the I. Okay, so if this is the case, we are just going to, or we can just have one line, I equals y plus equal 1. Okay, it's increasing it by 1. So other way around. Okay, so that's what happens if it is a white space. Now the next thing is if it is a number. If the expression is a digit, then we have to find out how many digits are there. Okay, so inside them we have to think whether we are encountering any dot signs as well, right? If it is a dot, then we still have to consider that as a digit, right? So that means we have to count how many spaces it should go, right? So that means we have to first put a marker of the starting position. So, and also in these ones, for every this token, we have to keep increasing our index, right? So let's do that, otherwise before we forget, just add them as well, because we are using a while loop, so we have to manually handle the iterator. So each and every time we add these tokens, we have to make sure we are increasing the index, which is I as well. So we are just adding 1. Okay, so let's copy and paste that for everyone. And let's not add the period token. We'll do that within the digits because it belongs to the digits. So let's get rid of the period anyways. So we will stick to this tokens. So okay, right back to this position. So if it is a digit, we have to starting point. We have to say the starting point. This is where it started, which is I. Okay, and we have to find out, go in a while loop, another while loop. So inside that we have to still make sure this one complies, obviously, because it can't exceed the number of expressions, length of this one. And so how do we know it's going to be a consecutive number? That means the next number also going to be a digit. Okay, so that means and expression next number, that means we just marked the starting position. Okay, so start plus 1, that means the next position is going to be a digit. Okay, If it is not a digit, if this is fails, it won't go into that one. It will just get our solution. So let's just go to the next line. In the next line where we just get the substring. Okay, so this starting position, let's make it a variable because we are going to increase it, and at the end we are going to assign, we are just going to assign this one to the start because we are going to increase that one for all of these numbers. If it is one, only one place, it's going to be the same as I. Okay, right, and let's increase. So if this one is that, we are going to say start plus plus. Okay, see what's going on. Expression start I is integer. Okay, oh. Incompatible types chars and unit.